in the previous lectures we discussed ionic product of water and how to identify the nature of the solution by using a table, yes or no? Now in this lecture let us discuss some important questions, okay, especially two conceptual questions, and we discuss another problem also. So here first one is at a particular temperature in three identical vessels. At a particular temperature in three identical vessels, pure water, dilute HCl and aqueous solution of sodium chloride are present. Okay, in which vessel Kw is maximum? Okay, so they will give any four options: pure water, HCl, aqueous solution of NaCl, or none of the above, like that, or they may give statement also. Okay, whatever it may be. So here Kw is same in all vessels. Kw is same in all vessels. See here, why Kw is the same? Because we have different solutions. But see this, at a particular temperature, yes or no? Already we discussed it in the ionic product. Okay, Kw is also a one type of equilibrium constant that depends only on the temperature, yes or no? When temperature is same, okay, so Kw is same. If you change the temperature, then only Kw value is different. Okay, so let us see first. Suppose here in pure water, already we discussed in the Kw. Okay, in pure water, H plus ion concentration is equal to OH minus ion concentration, that equal to 10 power minus 7 at 25 degrees centigrade. All these discussions at 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, and also we discussed H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration is equal to 10 power minus 14. Okay, so concentrations are expressed in normalities. Okay, so 10 power minus 14 at 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, so these all we discussed, and this is nothing but Kw. Yes or no? H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration equal to Kw. Okay, this is in the case of pure water. Now suppose for pure water, if you add HCl, okay, for this one, if you add HCl, what happens? This releases H plus ions plus Cl minus ions, yes or no? So when HCl is added to the water, or that is nothing but dilute HCl solution, okay, so H plus ion concentration, what happens? Increases. Okay, so H plus ion concentration increases. At the same time, OH minus ion concentration decreases, because some of the H plus ions react with OH minus ions. So OH minus ions are neutralized by the H plus ions. Yes or no? Okay, so whenever acid is added, what is happening? H plus ion concentration increases, OH minus ion concentration decreases. Okay, let us see, suppose when we add HCl to the water, pure water, suppose H plus ion concentration became 10 power minus 6. Okay, H plus ion concentration became 10 power minus 6, and OH minus ion concentration became 10 power minus 8. See, it is 10 power minus 7 in pure water, increased to 10 power minus 6 when you add acid. At the same time, OH minus ion concentration decreased to 10 power minus 8 from 10 power minus 7. Why? Some of the H plus ions neutralizing OH minus ion. So that's why OH minus ion concentration decreases. Therefore, see here, H plus ion concentration into OH minus ion concentration equal to how much? 10 power minus 14 only. 10 power minus 6 into 10 power minus 8. Okay, in the same way, when you add base, what happens? In that case, OH minus ion concentration increases, H plus ion concentration decreases. Okay, but whatever it may be, Kw value is same at a particular temperature. Until you maintain the same temperature, Kw is same. What is happening? Only individual ion concentration is changing, yes or no? These are the individual ions present, H plus ions and OH minus ions. Okay, when you add acid or base, individual concentrations are changing. Yes or no? 10 power minus 7 to 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 7 to 10 power minus 8. But the kW is same. Okay, very, very important. Okay, so this type of problems, conceptual questions, if temperature is same, kW is same. Okay, but only thing is that individual concentrations may change when you add acid or base or any other substance to the water, but kW is same value at that particular temperature. Okay, now let us see one more problem. Now let us see two other problems. First one is pH of pure water is always 7. Statement is given. We have to tell whether it is true or false. Okay, so this is false. Okay, pH of pure water is always not same. That depends on pH. Depends on concentration of H plus ions present in the solution. Yes or no? Because pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus ions present in the solution, right? Okay, so here number of H plus ions or H plus ion concentration is different in the solution, then pH also changes. Yes or no? So that depends on the temperature. So here in the pure water, so we have only water. Yes or no? We discussed it in ionic product. H plus ions and OH minus ions are released. Okay, so here this one, if as temperature increases, okay, as temperature increases, what happens? Dissociation also increases. This already we discussed. Okay, if temperature is more means more water molecules are dissociated. So temperature decreases means dissociation decreases. At the same time, if temperature decreases, dissociation also decreases. Okay, so dissociation is directly proportional to temperature. So now at higher temperature, what happens? More H plus and OH minus ions are present. Okay, so we know that at 25 degrees centigrade, okay, H plus ion concentration in the pure water equal to how much? 10 power minus 7. But suppose at 35 degrees centigrade, see, these values are not scientifically calculated, just for understanding purpose we are assuming. In the examination they will provide the values. Okay, so don't criticize here. Only for understanding purpose we are taking some value to understand easily. Okay, at 25 degrees centigrade H plus ion concentration is 10 power minus 7. Suppose at 35 degrees centigrade H plus ion concentration may be 10 power minus 6. Pure water only, but this is at 25 degrees centigrade, this is at 35 degrees centigrade. Okay, so here H plus ion concentration 10 power minus 7 means pH we get here is 7. For the same pure water at this temperature, pH we get equal to 6. Yes or no? So that's why for pure water pH is not always 7. That depends on the temperature, because this pH depends on the H plus ion concentrations, and H plus ions present in the water depends on the temperature. Yes or at higher temperature more molecules undergoes dissociation, more H plus ions, more OH minus ions. Okay, at lower if temperature decreases, dissociation decreases, so number of H plus and OH minus ions decreases. Clear? So this is very, very important. Okay, pH of pure water is not always 7. That depends on the temperature. Okay, next another one. In an artificial satellite, kW for water is 10 power minus 12. Okay, so in the artificial satellite, kW for water is given as 10 power minus 12. A solution with pH equal to 6.5 has dash nature. Means we have to identify whether that is neutral nature or acidic nature or basic nature for the solution. Okay, so here kW is given and pH of the solution is given. Okay, generally we think that if pH is less than 7 means that is acidic solution. Yes or no? But that is wrong. that depends on the pKw value. pKw equal to 14. In that case only pH less than 7 means that is acidic solution. Okay, let us see. Okay, already we discussed the table, that application we use here in this type of problems. Very important. Okay, so now here first Kw is given as 10 power minus 12. So pKw is equal to minus log Kw, that is equal to minus log 10 power minus 12. Okay, so that is pKw is equal to how much? 12. Okay, and pKw by 2 is equal to how much? 12 by 2, that equal to 6. Yes or no? See, this 6 is less than 6.5, that is the pH of the solution. Okay, so pKw by 2 equal to how much? 6. Okay, and that is less than 6.5, that is given in the problem. pH of the solution is given as 6.5, means so here overall pH is greater than pKw by 2, means what is the nature of this solution? pH greater than pKw by 2 means that is basic nature. Okay, the nature of the solution is basic nature. See, generally we think that if pH less than 7 means that is acidic solution, but that is not correct. When Kw is 10 power minus 14, in that case only that is correct. pH less than 7 means acidic, but so depending upon the Kw values. Okay, see here pH is greater than pKw by 2. Okay, so that's why it is basic nature. Okay, so very important. In the same case, suppose here they have given pH equal to 7, suppose 5.5, for example, we assume that. Okay, so let us see here, suppose same question, pH equal to 5.5 they have given. Now pH is less than pKw by 2. Yes or no? Now it is acidic nature. Okay, clear? So in this way we can solve. If you understand the concept, whatever it is the value, simply we can apply. Okay, clear? So in the next lecture we discuss some other problems in the acids bases. Okay, thanks.